Meaning of distinguished.
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 Distinguished. The term distinguished refers to someone or something that is recognized for their notable qualities, accomplishments, or achievements. It implies a high level of respect and admiration from others. A distinguished person is often seen as being successful, accomplished, and respected in their field. This term can be used to describe an individual who has made significant contributions to society or has achieved success in their profession. In essence, distinguished suggests an exceptional level of excellence and distinction in one's endeavors.